Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
You click Book in the module picker to display the book module. Lightroom Classic CC automatically creates a book and adds pages to it using the photos in the film strip, as well as the current auto layout preset. To customize your photo book, you must then complete 6 broad steps. The first step to customizing your photo book is specifying default behaviors for your book's layout. To do this, select Book, Book Preferences from the menu bar while in the Book module to open the Book Preferences dialog box. Then use the Default Photo Zoom drop-down menu in the Layout options of the dialog box to select the default magnification of the book's photos. Selecting Zoom to Fill zooms photos so they fill the entire photo cell. Selecting Zoom to Fit sizes photos so the entire photo fits in the cell. To change this default preference for a single page in the book, right-click on any photo cell in the book's pages, and then select the Zoom Photo to Fill Cell command to toggle it on or off as needed. To set whether you automatically add pages to a photo book with the default settings when you open the Book module, check or uncheck the Start New Books by Autofilling checkbox in the Autofill Options area of the Book Preferences dialog box. To automatically fill text boxes in the book with filler text or with each photo's title, caption, or file name metadata, use the Fill Text Boxes with drop-down in the Text Options area of the dialog box. If you select Filler Text from this drop-down menu, Lightroom Classic CC displays placeholder text in text boxes to help you determine whether a photo's metadata is missing. The Constrain Captions to Text Safe Area checkbox at the bottom of the dialog box lets you easily keep photo captions within the printable margins of each page. After making selections, click the X button in the upper right corner of the Book Preferences dialog box to preserve your choices.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.